Is your builder not refunding your amount even after you have cancelled the flat booking? Here is a major relief for all the home buyers. In a recent judgment, the Supreme Court has held that builders cannot impose excessive forfeiture charges on cancellation of a flat booking. The Supreme Court has said that the forfeited amount has to be reasonable and cannot be a penalty under Section 74 of the Contract Act. Forfeiture charges are basically a fees or the penalties that you pay when you fail to meet the terms of the contract. Now, in this situation, the developer, that is a Godrej Project Development Limited, they invoke the forfeiture clause and they retain 20% of that amount. Now, this was contested by the home buyer, saying it was very unreasonable and excessive. The National Consumer Commission ruled in favor of the home buyer, only allowing 10% of the amount as being forfeited and directed the builder to actually refund the remaining amount with 6% of the interest. Now, builder, obviously not satisfied with this decision, went to Supreme Court, wherein Supreme Court also upheld NCDRC's decision, saying that they have rightly said that you can only forfeit 10% of the amount because your clause is very arbitrary and is in very excess. The Supreme Court actually also cited its past rulings and precedents that unfair terms in a builder-buyer agreement amount to unfair trade practices under the consumer law. I hope you find this video a little helpful. Share it with someone who might need it, and I will see you in my next video.